Always ready to elevate your gathering with her menus and tips, former MasterChef judge Jamie Gwen is here now to show us how to make our Memorial Day gathering memorable and easy. Hi, Chef. Welcome to the show.
Chef Jamie Gwen here, grilling and chilling to kick off the summer season. There's something magical about grilling with mayonnaise. It sticks really well to food. It helps release food from hot grill grates, and it gives you beautiful golden caramelization. Make sure to put a thin layer on your burger buns before toasting. I like to mix up my spinach and feta turkey burgers with roasted red pepper mayo by adding feta to the burger and on top. I simply swap Athenos feta into recipes to bring new life, replacing the cheese you currently use like cheddar or mozzarella. Feta's creamy, tangy flavor pop is always a hit with my family and friends. Did you know that Athenos feta is the #1 feta in America? It's crumbled or chunk, and you can simply top your favorite recipe or add a flavor boost. My favorite is the Athenos tomato basil feta. Now, for the summer, I like to keep things light and easy. Fresh Express is sharing different ways to enjoy their salad products with new recipe inspiration, like this delicious pesto pasta salad using the Fresh Express Twisted Pesto Caesar Chopped Salad Kit, which includes crisp lettuce and crunchy brioche croutons, the creamy pesto Caesar dressing. You combine the salad kit with rotini, tomatoes, and walnuts, and you get this perfect dish that brings any summer celebration to life. They also have a Mexican-style chopped salad kit and a Butter Supreme crunchy salad blend that I love, available at every grocery store. And check out this sweet treat: red, white, and blue fruit kebabs in the form of a flag, fresh berries, fluffy marshmallows. My son loves to help make it, but he loves more to eat it. For all these recipes, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks for the tips and information, Chef.